Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to search for audio files in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates that make this process even easier. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by entering drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll see your Drive interface where all your files are stored. Next, look at the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a funnel or a filter. This is the Advanced Search icon. Click on this icon to open up more options for narrowing down your search. Now, in the Advanced Search menu, you'll see various filters that can help you locate specific types of files. From the drop-down menu labeled Type, select Audios. This option will filter your search results to only show audio files stored in your drive. Once you've set this filter, simply click on the Search button, or press Enter on your keyboard. In just a moment, you'll see a list of audio files that match your criteria. Take your time to browse through these results. When you find the audio file you're looking for, simply click on it to open or play it directly from Google Drive. This streamlined process not only saves time but also helps you manage your audio files more efficiently. To recap, here are the steps. 1. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. 2. Click on the Advanced Search icon in the search bar. 3. From Type, choose Audios. 4. Find and select the audio file you want. With these simple steps, searching for audio files in Google Drive has never been easier. Whether you're organizing music tracks, podcasts, or any other audio content, this new update enhances your ability to find exactly what you need quickly and effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive effectively.